So I wanted to show you how to use Desmos to teach linear regression. You can see the link up top here, but that link is also posted on my blog. So if you just click that link, this is the screen that's going to show up. And as you can see that I created a scatter plot for you with a positive correlation. And I also have this black line down here, which is a movable line. So I'd have your students try to estimate the line of best fit by sliding these points over. Okay. And I'm sure you definitely want to talk about how to estimate the line by making sure the line goes through as many points as possible, and the remaining points half lie above the line, half lie below. Okay. Once you have your prediction, you can look over here on the left, and it tells you that the slope of your guess is 0.803 about, and the y-intercept is just about 2.5. To compare your guess to the actual least squares regression line, all you have to do is click this little folder over here. Okay? And you can see that a new line just emerged. To determine the equation of the line of best fit, you just need to click this little arrow here. When you do that, you can see that the slope of the regression line is 0.87 and the y-intercept is 2.1. Students can then compare the line of best fit, the actual line of best fit, with their guess from the movable line. What's also nice is that Desmos will give you the correlation, okay, 0.933, and also the coefficient of determination, 0.87. I want to show you now how you can use Desmos to make predictions. Okay. But first, let me just move this line out of the way here. Okay. And I'm going to close this folder so that information is also out of the way. Okay. There are two different ways to make predictions. First, you could just type in the equation x equals 4 if we wanted to see what the line predicts at an x value of 4. And you can see here that the vertical line and the least squares regression line intersect at 4, 5.703. So when x is 4, your y hat, your predicted value, is 5.703. Another way of doing that would be to actually plug in to the equation m1, because that's the slope of the regression line, times 4, and then I want to add to that my y-intercept, which was given the variable c. And you can also see that when the input is 4, the output is 5.703. So there's two different ways to make predictions. Then you can go in and start talking about under predictions and over predictions of the line. So at this value here, you could see when x is 2, the observed value is 5, but the line predicts an observed value of about 4. So you can talk about how this is the line under predicts this value when x equals 2. And over here, we already said that the predicted value when x is 4 is 5.7. So you could see that there was an over prediction because this observed value when x was 4 was 4.5, but it was predicted to be 5.7. Okay. So that's how you could use Desmos to teach regression.